Are you looking for floor jack for trucks? Here are our top 5 picks. Whether you're looking for a heavy-duty jack for commercial use or a smaller model for home use, we've got you covered. So what are you waiting for? Check out our picks and find the perfect jack for your needs. So let's get started.
List none. Power-built 2-ton triple lift floor jack. Power-built's triple lift floor jack features a patented sliding system that locks the saddle at 17, 1 and 2 inches, has a max height of 5, 1 and 2 inches, and can be raised in just seconds. Perfect for cars, trucks, and motorcycles. It has been designed to fit most vehicles and makes moving heavy equipment easier than ever. The triple slide design locks the triple lift in place with ease while ensuring that it remains secure during use. Triple lift floor jack is engineered to fit any vehicle with a lift-out axle or one that has been lowered. The large, rubber feet provide stability and traction on most surfaces. The secret to the triple lift is the patented design that features both a removable lift saddle and padded lift rails. This flexible design allows the triple lift to adapt to multiple types of vehicle frames. This steel floor jack provides extra height at the rear wheels when working on vehicles with lowered suspension points.
List number K-Tool International 3-Ton Floor Jack. The K-Tool International 3-Ton Service Jack features an aircraft aluminum lift body and unitized hydraulic ram for maximum strength. This jack makes it easy to quickly remove the vehicle's underbody, even if the vehicle is equipped with heavy hangers. 3-ton floor jack provides versatility to handle a variety of automotive needs. This service jack has a lifting range of 5.5 inches to 18.75 inches. The valve prevents overextension of hydraulic ram and jack use beyond rate capacity. Added protection for the lift, it also adds extra ground clearance around vehicles and in tight spaces. Wider track front wheels provide stability, while rear swivel casters provide easy maneuverability. This service car jack is fit with nylon wheels instead of metal wheels. This 3-ton jack has the capacity to jack lift up to 3 tons or 6,000 pounds. List 3. Torin Blackjack Hydraulic Trolley Floor Jack. The Torin Blackjack Hydraulic Trolley Service and Floor Jack is constructed with a heavy-duty steel, providing long-term durability with an industrial luster. This Blackjack floor jack has an industry-leading 3-ton capacity with a minimum lifting height of 5 to 11 and 16th inches and a maximum height of 20 to 7 and 8 inches. It's ideal for most cars, trucks, vans, and SUVs. The hydraulic lift system allows you to effortlessly raise the jack to the desired height in seconds. Its durable construction is built with heavy-duty steel and ensures long-term durability. Equipped with a single piston quick lift pump, allowing you to easily pump the jack to the desired height. It also features single piston quick lift pumps that allow operator to easily raise the jack to desired height. Safety bypass system prevents overloading and ensures safe operation.
List number TCE Torin Hydraulic Trolley Service Floor Jack.
The Torin Trolley Floor Jack is a powerful commercial-grade hydraulic trolley jack with a 3-ton, 6,000-pound capacity and 20 to 7 and 8 inches maximum height lift. This hydraulic trolley floor jack is constructed with heavy-duty steel, providing long-term durability with an industrial luster. Equipped with large steel casters and 360-degree swivel casters for smooth maneuverability. Extra long saddle neck saves time when lifting higher vehicles. A single piston quick lift pump allows you to easily raise the jack to the desired height. Safety bypass system prevents overloading and ensures safe operation. The TCE Torin Hydraulic Trolley Service and Floor Jack is designed with a built-in carrying handle so that it can be lifted and moved quickly. List number Eambright 12-volt DC Electric Hydraulic Car Floor Jack. The Eambright 12-volt DC Electric Hydraulic Car Floor Jack with lifting range 5.3 inches to 13.9 inches is a convenient and easy-to-use car floor jack designed to lift up to 1 ton, 2,200 pounds, with the help of its 10-footing design. The built-in LED light will provide you added safety for nighttime operation. Electric car floor jack is a roadside emergency jack with LED light built in. There are 2 switches to operate. The safety device prevents the jack from falling and keep current height even out of power. The floor jack is designed to meet the requirements of car owners. Rotating threaded rod can be spin out up to 75 millimeter, makes cross-groove saddle closer to lifting point. This car floor jack features 2 button controls, a vertical lift control switch, and an LED light switch to operate it easily.